It's about 18 days pagka-release ng Osmo Pocket 4P dito sa Pilipinas. At syempre, lahat ng tao gustong kunin ng vlog combo. Nawawala na ako ng pag-asa and I thought I needed to fly to Tokyo to get this unit. Dahil ang target ko talaga ay yung vlog combo at yung may carry fresh na 2 years. And now, I have it with me at hindi lang yan, may carry fresh pa. Here's what happened. So after the launch of the 4P in China, syempre hinihintay natin na mag-launch dito sa Asia Pacific like Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, and the Philippines. So alam naman din natin na nag-release sila pero konti lang yung stock. At yan yung naging problema. So I thought to myself, because Japan is the biggest market then ng DJI after China, so the chances of me getting it there for cheap is also going to be higher. And if you are like me, ang target ko talaga ay yung vlog combo. Dahil meron ka ng frame tap, meron ka pang mic. But ako kasi, meron na akong DJI mic. So really, yung frame tap lang ang habol ko. But very important for me is the carry fresh. So para sa hindi nakakaalam, ang carry fresh for the units or yung mga handheld stuff dati ay hindi kasama ang Pilipinas. So ngayon, good news, like a couple of weeks ago, they confirmed na kasama na sila. Pati itong actually gamit ko ngayon na Osmo 360, pwede mo na ring mabilhan ng carry fresh. So ito na yung interesting at nakakatawang part na tingin ko kung kamukha kita, ginawa mo rin to. So what I did from July 1 until maybe 2 or 3 days ago, I've been monitoring the stocks both here and in Tokyo. And as a matter of fact, I booked my flights and everything is set for my trip in August to get this unit. So okay na lahat. Japan bound to get the Osmo Pocket 4P and the Carry Fresh in Tokyo. To land on that decision, syempre, kinumpare ko rin yung cost-benefit ng decision na yon. I did the math of the unit cost ng Philippine purchase versus the Tokyo purchase for the vlog and the Carry Fresh. And the long and short of it is, medyo mas mahal dito sa Pilipinas ng about, let's say, 2,800 or 3,000 pesos. However, in my research, dito mo makikita yung convenience of buying it here. Kung may 2.8 lang naman ang difference, yung ease ng transaction, yung sa pagpalit, because sinusundan kasi nung any claim, yung kung saan mo ni-register yung product. So, para sa 2.8, kung may iwasan mo na yung sakit ng ulo, na i-check mo na yung Japan rules and regulations for claiming under the Carry Fresh, edi pwede mo nang i-factor in yon sa decision kung worth it yung 2.8 na matitipid mo kumpara dun sa pwedeng magtagal or pwedeng magkaroon ng a little bit of complication just because sa Japan mo nakuha by both yung unit at saka yung Carry Fresh. And so, to make the long story short, I said to myself, okay, ganito na lang. Since wala rin namang vlog combo dito at kinonfirm naman ng Authorized Service Center sa Makati na wala pa rin silang Carry Fresh, so masakit na rin ang ulo ko sa kakahanap, kakahintay, kakamonitor ng inventory both here and in Tokyo and anywhere I could fly to get it. Sabi ko, ganito na lang. It will not be my priority. Hahayaan ko na lang siya. I will let inventory restocks be. I will fly to Tokyo in August. I will enjoy the trip. Kung masalubong ko siya doon at mabili ko siya, good. Sabi ko. And kung mabili ko siya dito, okay lang din. Basta available yung parehong Carry Fresh at saka yung vlog combo. So, natulog na ako, hindi ko na iniisip. And akala ko okay na. Until nagpunta ako sa Mall of Asia, and may nakausap ako ng mga tao doon when I learned that Carry Fresh is coming to the Philippines already. So, nag-open na yung window na yun. So, magkakaroon na ang Pilipinas. So, ibig sabihin, makaka-claim ka na under the Carry Fresh for the 4P. Good news yon because at least covered na tayo, diba? So pangalawa, ang problema naman, wala namang vlog combo. Diba? So when I did all of those math, sabi ko, wow, baka posible na pwede ko siyang gawin dito. Kako, ang sabi nila is, wala pong dumating na vlog combo. Sabi nila. Sabi ko, okay, maybe it's not meant to be, so I guess we'll just have to wait for Tokyo. So, nag-check din ako sa DJI sa North EDSA. And sabi din nila, wala din. So, sabi ko, okay, maluwag sa loob ko, tatanggapin ko, wala talaga. Okay na yon. And then, sabi ko na lang dun sa last chat ko sa North EDSA, I said, kung magkakaroon po ng restock, will it be alright to check with you again? Kasi kailangan ko lang po siya for an upcoming trip. And this is when everything turned. Bigla na lang, ang sabi sa akin nung North EDSA na DJI is, taga saan po ba kayo at makakapunta po ba kayo ngayon? Ito yung exact conversation. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Sir, malapit ka lang ba? Malapit lang po ba kayo dito sa North? Ang sabi ko, nandito lang ako sa Manila. Makakapunta ba kayo today, sir? So I had to check with the driver kung kaya kasi this was around, I think, 5:22 in the afternoon. And nasa Manila ko, pupunta ako ng North EDSA. So pagka-check ko, okay naman ang driver. And pinakita niya sa akin na may isang unit na nag-cancel or nag-back out yung tao, and this is the vlog combo. So, syempre, ang sabi ko, yes, papunta na ako dyan. And of course, ang sabi ko rin, kailangan ko ng care refresh. Ito na yung tricky part because syempre, we need it covered para kung ano man na mangyari. This is a learning from all of the other Osmo Pockets dati na nagkakaroon ng issue. And dahil wala tayong care refresh dito sa Pilipinas at that time, mahirap papalitan yung unit kung hindi siya covered. 'Di ba? Kasi ang laki ng gagastusin mo. So, I wanted to make sure that I get a care refresh bago ko i-open yung unit. And ang sabi nila sa akin is, bibigyan nila sa akin yung number ng Authorized Service Center because sila ang nag-handle ng care refresh for now kasi nga bago lang siya dito sa Pilipinas. So, I also called them. And this is the conversation that happened. Ang sabi nila sa akin ay wala pang dumarating na care refresh card. Ang card kasi, yon yung mga parang warranty activation code. So, wala pang dumarating. At ang sabi nila sa akin is parang Friday, 4 o'clock pa yun darating. So, basically, yung araw ng conversation ko dun sa North EDSA ng DJI is Thursday. And sabi ko, okay, kukunin ko na muna yung unit. I will go to North EDSA to buy it. And then, kausap ko na yung sa Authorized Service Center and they said, text na lang kasi Friday afternoon by 4 o'clock darating siya. So, last Thursday, I got the vlog combo already. And I'm so happy about it. At mapapansin nyo, hindi ko pa siya binubuksan dahil kailangan pa natin yung care refresh. At kung katulad kita na mahilig sa gadget, you know how hard it is not to open this box with full restraint. Siyempre gusto mo na siyang makita, gusto mo nang makalikot, gusto mo nang ma-explore yung unit. But I had to wait for Friday. Bakit? Because I want this unit covered before I even open it. So, what happened is, on Friday, nagkaroon ako ng lakad, na dapat Viber ko lang sila i-message, pero nagkaroon ng lakad sa Makati. So, I said, why not go there? So, I actually arrived there at around past 3 in the afternoon. At pagdating namin sa Authorized Service Center sa Makati, sa may Pasong Tamo, guess what? Naka-open dun sa table ng mga agents yung kadarating lang na care refresh. And I can't tell you how happy I am kasi ini-inventaryo pa lang nila siya. So, sabi ko sa kanila, ma'am, sabi ko, I know, kadarating lang niya. And ang nakausap ko mismo ay yung nag-confirm sa akin na may parating na care refresh. And I got it. Tama ba? Baka naman flash ko yung code sa likod. So, I got a care refresh, a 2-year care refresh for my Osmo Pocket 4P. And I can't tell you how happy I am. So now, kahapon, because today is a Saturday, kahapon, I basically got everything I needed. And that just made me so happy. And I'm telling you, the lesson here is this is not an unboxing. What I'm telling you is that when things are meant for you, nangyayari siya effortlessly. And I never thought that this will happen na makukuha ko tong dalawang to. And kung mangyayari man to, probably it's just like 7-8 months na after launch or pag nagkaroon na ng regular stock and the hype goes down. Or, kung suswertihin ako, dapat sa trip ko sa Tokyo. So now, I think I am ready to unbox my unit. And now, samahan nyo ko. Let's unbox it. Pero hindi na ako magsasalita. I just want to experience the unboxing for what it is. And then we'll end the video there. So thank you so much for watching this video. Natutuwa lang ako because I guess, I wanted this for my birthday nung June. I didn't get it. It was supposed to be this and a Tokyo trip. So now, I'll still be going to Tokyo, but now I have time to practice with the 4P and just make that chill trip to Tokyo in August armed with my Osmo Pocket 4P and create beautiful memories with it. Maraming salamat po for watching and subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat and be good humans. Bye.